Hello, welcome to this video on Solutionlab from HUBiquitous Project. I'm Professor Konduk Pham from University of Po and Scientific Manager in Wasiab Foundation. We have been working in boosting innovation in Africa countries for many years in several European projects. When talking to African entrepreneurs, one of the main difficulties they have to face is to get access to the latest technologies. So in the domain of Internet of Things, for instance, getting access to state-of-the-art hardware can dramatically impact on their ability to produce prototyping and proof-of-concept applications. So this is the whole idea behind the Solutionlab Innovation Enabler proposed by HUBiquitous Project. But beyond that, the Solutionlab will also be packaged with documentation, examples, and training materials so that the young entrepreneurs can start their journey into innovation in the best possible conditions. So let's take a tour and discover the Solutionlab as proposed by HUBiquitous Project. The main objective of Solutionlab is to provide hardware. So we do have enclosures, various sensors that can be deployed outdoors. And regarding microcontrollers, of course, we have the classic one, such as the Arduino Pro Mini, but we also want to package the Solutionlab with more advanced microcontroller boards. So, for instance, the TNC boards that do have lots of nice features. We also want to package the latest technologies, so the Arduino Nano Sense board, for instance, the Arduino Nano 33 IoT, and the Nano 33 BLE. So this last board can, for instance, host embedded AI applications. Of course, we have the Wasiab IoT ecosystem, so WasiDev, WasiSense with supercapacitors, and then the WasiAct with a relay. We also package state-of-the-art long-range LoRa radio modules, but most importantly, we also provide the PCP breakout board so that you can easily integrate these radio modules into your project. And of course, we also want to make LoRaWAN connectivity much simpler for you, so we selected a number of state-of-the-art LoRaWAN modules that can easily be integrated into your IoT project as well. We also package single computer boards such as the well-known Raspberry Pi, but most importantly, we want to have accessories such as cameras in order to build computer vision applications. So when talking about computer vision, then embedded AI is very important, so we also provide AI hardware accelerators. Last but not least, we provide various PCBs that allows you to reach a high level of integration for your prototyping project. So the device we are showing here is a soil moisture device developed for the Prima Intelleris project. The list of hardware packaged in the Solutionlab is not fixed. It can be updated during the project to incorporate new products from the market. So the idea is to keep the Solutionlab infrastructures up to date to host your innovative project. Let me take some few more minutes to show you some use case integration for a selected number of hardware. So we start with the classic Arduino Pro Mini, and this board is so versatile that actually we use it a lot in many integration projects. So you can build very integrated IoT devices with this kind of boards, and it is very low power. Devices can run for more than 2 years on 2 AA batteries. We really like TNC boards, and here is the TNC 32. It's very powerful with a lot of memory. And you can build very innovative image device sensors, for instance. So in this example here, the core of these image sensors is TNC. It can run quite complex image processing tasks. So here we implemented an intrusion detection system, for instance. Efficient image compression supporting long-range transmission with high error rate is also implemented. There's also an interesting TNC board with an embedded SD card slot, so you can build a powerful data logger. We also packaged one of the latest Arduino board, the Arduino Nano 33 BLE or BLE Sense, and this board have embedded AI capability as demonstrated in the following videos from Arduino. With the state-of-the-art Arduino Nano Sense ME, ME for motion environment, you probably have one of the smallest sensing board on the market. So this board is packed with a number of sensors, making it a suitable platform for advanced sensing system. There's so many interesting projects with this board. We show one of them here. WASI boards provide interesting features. For instance, the WASI Sense for batteryless deployment and WASI for generic LoRaWAN actuation. The WASI ecosystem is actually quite rich, from hardware to cloud servers and edge framework. Check out the webpage for more information. Regarding single-board computers, Solutionlab packaged the well-known Raspberry Pi. This platform can be used to build versatile and open IoT gateways. The WASI framework, for instance, is a powerful framework to build edge-enabled IoT gateways. It has responsive web interface, and customized application can be deployed on the gateway itself. The Raspberry Pi can also be used to build more robust outdoor gateways. Here it is an example of an outdoor gateway with power over Ethernet features and various connectors for high-gain antennas. Such gateways has been deployed in many African countries, and they have been tested under various conditions. With a camera attached to the Raspberry, you can step in the very exciting computer vision world. The following video already shows a very impressive object detection application using embedded AI with a TensorFlow framework. With AI hardware accelerator attached to your Raspberry, you can build challenging object recognition applications on fast-rate video streams, as demonstrated by the following videos. LoRa modules that can be easily integrated into IoT projects are of course packaged in Solutionlab. As fully LoRaWAN compliant networks are gaining more and more interest, Solutionlab also packaged one of the latest LoRaWAN modules from RAK Wireless. The RAK 3172 is a very small form factor LoRaWAN module, providing high level of integration for your LoRaWAN IoT project. In this example with a PCB from the Prolong project, the RAK modules provide out-of-the-box LoRaWAN connectivity with AT command, in addition to the already existing LoRa in 2.4 GHz band. Breakout version is also provided so that you can connect the RAK modules to any Arduino boards, for instance. The evaluation board also allows you to test the module before integration. To provide a complete LoRaWAN development framework, Solutionlab also packages 8-channel LoRa radio concentrators to build fully compliant LoRaWAN IoT gateways. Last but not least, Solutionlab also provides a number of dedicated PCBs to ease the integration process. These PCBs allow for connecting the radio modules to the microcontroller in a much easier way. There are also PCB to host the radio module alone so that you can build a LoRa shield to be plugged on a Raspberry for very low-cost gateways. PCBs for LoRa radio modules in 2.4 GHz band allows for worldwide deployment. As stated in the introduction, Solutionlab is not only about hardware. As one of the innovation enablers of HUBiquitous Project, Solutionlab also offers a web portal describing all the resources packaged in the Solutionlab. Here you can see in the Arduino board pages all the listed boards packaged in the Solutionlab, how to program them, and their usage. So if we look at the Arduino Nicla Sense ME, we can get access to its specifications and the various features it offers from the Arduino pages. If we take the Arduino Nano 33 BLE Sense, we can get access to all essentials and tutorials provided by the manufacturer. If we look at Teensy boards, then we have the same structures, listed board, how to use them, and most importantly, link to existing resources. Moving to communication network sections, we have the LoRa and LoRaWAN chapters, for instance, where introductory informations are provided on the technology. The various pages provide access to information in a consistent manner. The objective here is not to reinvent the wheel, so whenever existing resources are available, then we are going to link to these resources. Regarding deployment of Solutionlab, HUBiquitous will rely on local digital innovation hub to provide the necessary physical infrastructures for local entrepreneurs to get access to these hardware resources. This is the end of this introductory video to Solutionlab. I hope that the content was clear and that you found it interesting. So I invite you to follow the latest development of HUBiquitous Project. Bye bye.